The Steamrollers versus the Mighty. The stage is set. It's showtime.
Welcome to Power Shift, the game that turns a platform into a moving battleground.
Our players must command the platform to reach their own base for the win. The closer they get, the richer they become.
Turret's cracking!
With the platform still up for grabs, let's see which team rises to the challenge.
Time to get out my statistics tracker.
Sending a frag! Jump pad deployed!
We have our first owner of the platform.
Special delivery! Interceptor pop! Jump zone here! Throw the frag!
The Steamrollers are paving their way to success.
Jump pad deployed! Frag out! Frag grenade set!
Halfway to the finish line, the Steamrollers are still pushing forward.
Deploying jump pad! Frag grenade out!
The Steamrollers.
I'm going to revive! Hold on! Enemy over there!
The Steamrollers are now advancing forward with purpose.
Frag grenade set! Time to bounce! Anti-air online!
We've got motion. The Mighty are on the offensive.
I'm heading to the platform.
Back to their base. The mighty take control.
Enemy spotted up there. Let's get airborne! Got a contestant! Special delivery! Sending a frag! Hop on up! Turret overactive!
The mighty are now in the driver's seat and advancing.
Frag grenade set!
Don't look away now, folks. It's under contention.
Going to the platform now! Delivery! Unit complete turret! Jump pad deployed!
It's time for a new event in the arena, which is sure to test our contestants' skills.
They've got the platform started. The steamrollers are on the advance. It's a battle of wits and wills in the arena today as both teams seek to control the platform.
Only one team can emerge victorious in anyone's game.
I'm going to the platform!
It looks like this game show event is taking an unexpected turn.
Frag grenade set!
Managed to take control.
Out there!
The steamroller strategy pays off as they take control. The skies are still filled with these fights to this unexpected game show event.
Frag out!
And the mighty take over the helm and start to advance match concludes with the Steamrollers as the victors. And with that, we'll see you next time at the finals.